Guys, here is a 3-line simple command prompt to help you make your PC say your name. Do that. First, go to your start menu and open Notepad. Then you type in this exact command line over here, the same word to word. Make sure it is the exact thing you are seeing on the screen. Regarding the username, you can use any name of your choice, either your nickname or your government name. Any name of your choice is okay. You can use any name. So I'm using Queen, that is Quin. This is what I'm going with. When you are done, you go to File, then you save it. You can either use the short command, that is Ctrl+S, then you save, or you can go to File, then you go to Save As. Then over here, the file name, make sure you type welcome.vbs. Make sure it is .vbs. And then the save as type, make sure it's welcome.vbs. Then over here, make sure it is all files. Then you save it. Make sure you save it on desktop or anywhere you want. Then you save it. So now you come to your start menu, then you type run. This you are seeing over here. Or you can just press Windows key and then R on your keyboard. Then this will appear. Then you type in this exact command. Don't omit anything. Make sure it is exact. Then you hit OK. It will open this folder for you, so you can copy the VBS that we saved. You can copy it into the folder. Then that is it. So if you double click on it, you can hear that this thing, the name it is pronounced and Queen. That is all for it. This is all. This is how you make your PC welcome you. This is easy. So just do it. So this is all for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Make sure you drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. See you in the next one. Bye.